Okay, I'm here to give you another update on what's happening in the world of panel-based technology. We had a great week last week. We were able to entertain our friends from Japan. Hideo is the president of Toyakasha, and they have been a long time user of the Torlinks panels in Japan, primarily in the world of putting greens, indoor and outdoor facilities. They've done some great work, but they really didn't know everything they should about UltraBaseSystems and our new products, courts and floors. Although we have a lot of information on our website, sometimes it's overlooked, and guys come to me all the time, oh, we didn't know you could do this, or hey, we hadn't seen what you were planning for pavers. So having these folks fly over, Hideo and his sales manager came over. They spent 3 days with us. I got to take them around the state. We looked at some large athletic fields. We saw some big landscaping projects with big undulations, pet areas, putting greens, courts. They really got a sense of what our technology is about and how we can bring it and really do better business in Japan. At one point, I think we talked about 40 different countries around the world have purchased Torlinks over the years. That's very exciting to me. We've now got a group in the UK that is holding inventory, and that's huge because now we can have local stock available both in the UK and in Europe. Our friend Hector in Mexico is moving towards that program that he is going to be able to supply Mexico. So if you're an international customer and you would like to talk to us about how we can bring product with you into your region, if you have the volume to support it, we want to talk to you about that. That's how we're going to grow. Our goal is to cover the planet with panels, and we're getting there really every day. So give me a call or email us, and then let's see what we can do working together.